Hi everyone and welcome to Nikki's channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a simple burrito wrap. So let's get started. I'll leave a link in the description and also in the top hand corner of how I made these easy and delicious pan-seared chicken thighs. We'll just slice up our chicken thighs into strips, just like this. Look how nicely done this is. So good. Just put it back onto the plate. Here I have one flour tortilla, but you can use any tortillas you like. I'll be using ranch secret sauce, but you can use any sauce of your choice. Then lay a bit of lettuce, a few slices of cucumber, then add in your grated carrots, then add in a couple of slices of avocado, then add in a few slices of your pan-seared chicken thighs. And what you do is you fold the sides in like this. You hold, and then you wrap. Here is my burrito wrap. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now. See you next time.